Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't record for a while. I have camp and stuff. My hair looks bad today, so I'm putting it in here. So today I'm going to go over funny text messages like people do. So let's get on. Funny responsive text messages. Give credit to Scoop. It's a really good channel. I'm subscribed. Are you single? No. I'm plural. I meant, are you free this Friday? No, I'm fucking expensive. That would be pretty awesome, actually. Send me a dirty pic. My dirty think. Me. 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 How do I do Chris? I like it most. So these ones hurt. You just did, Allie. Oh my god, I'm sorry. That was meant for Jenna. Her name isn't even close to mine, though. Did you send us on purpose? Don't worry if you did. Maybe does that mean you like me too? No. Rude. Hi. Did you eat? Are you copying me? I love you. Yeah, I ate already. Rude. Talk dirty to me, baby. Mud. Like sexy. Turn your boy on. Light bulbs. Oh my god, me. Hey, beautiful hands. Let me remind my pink doll. Oh, why? Because we're both small and cute? No, because I'll eventually bang you both on the coffee table. Be there in 10 with slippers. Do you ever smell the up sexy at schools? It just means smell of what? Up sexy. What is that? What the hell is that? What are you asking me? What's up sexy? Nothing much, you. You know you love me. You know you care. You're someone ever, and I'll be there. You are my love. You are my heart, and we will never, ever be apart. Are we an idol? We're just friends. What are you saying? Sorry. That's a dot. Never speak of this again, bro. Agreed. Compliment me. You have eyes. Nice. Babe, guess what? What? No one's home right now. Sweet, come over. I can't. I'm eating cinnamon rolls. Me. Mood. Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is Jason testing the flirt. By phones is a move. Success test. Respond with a smiley face. Smiley face. Thank you for persistence. This is my description. That was test. Excuse me. I'm basically an vascular picket. Rude. Wanna be my girlfriend? You mean girlfriend? What? You forgot the D. Don't worry, baby. You'll get that later. Send me a picture of your doorknob, babe. Of your knob, baby. No, baby. I mean your winky. Doorknob. Winky. You're too gorgeous to be single. You're too ugly to be flirting. That poor kid. What homework do we have this weekend? Are you flirting with me? What the hell? He wasn't there. You look beautiful, but you didn't even see me. Don't have to. Oh. Do you think I'm cute? No. Winky. Am I pretty? No. Does that mean I'm beautiful? No, it means you're ugly though. We need to hang out ASAP. I'll be the judge if you're fun or not. I'm the dumbest girl you'll ever meet. Autocorrect, I hate my life for autocorrect. I mean the most fun. I know that would only happen to me. I'm seriously crying my face off and laughing at that text. I'm pretty much a good time to hang out with. That was sweet. When I walk into the forest, this is what I see. Gale shooting squirrels and staring at me. Got an arrow in my hands and I'm not afraid to bow it. I'm Katniss and you know it. You're coming to my wedding. You already know who you're marrying? Yeah, she's gorgeous. Oh, I bet. She's perfect. Just makes my life cool. My life cool. So I have a question. ... What? ... Who you marrying? Oh, I'm gonna text you. Well, okay then. Lay me into bed. Your hands grip my body. Your palms are sweating. Knees weak. Arms spaghetti. Lay me into bed. Your bing. Palms are sweating. Knees are weak. Arms spaghetti. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna jump in the shower. Make room for me. She's so unimpressed. Mood. I'm your trumpet? What? That's the horn, so I'm in a school band. Tell me everything you want me to do. Can you pick me up a McDouble on your way to my house? Yes. Send me a pic of you. Legit sends the letter U. I can't show it. Yep, Liz, what? Crying face. No, I'm missing, but my coach is so lonely. My cooch is so lonely. It needs you here on it with me. Oh my god, wow, couch. No, thank you. That makes more sense. Barbara says I picked a very good girl to talk to. Are you from either? No, there's another gorgeous girl I can talk to. Sorry. Damn it, I'm gonna have beat that bitch to beat a bitch one, huh? Maybe, but don't bruise your beautiful face, okay? Say you were talking about me. Lucky I picked you guys too. Hi, Christine. What are you doing laying my bed naked? Yes, show me a pic. It's dark. I don't care. Legit sends a pic. Probably not even her. It's probably just like a wall. Hey. How was your day? Good. So what are you doing? Laying in bed. How about you? Alcohol, thinking about what we'd be in front of. We'd begin the sacrifice. What the? You're pretty things. There's something opportunist. Me too, really? Like what? A wall. Yes. Girls. There are two types of people in this world. One, a person who sees them about to jump off a building and is sleeping, and a second, the person at the bottom of a balcony yelling, do a flip. You'd yell, do a flip at me, wouldn't you? In a heartbeat, XC. What would you do if I got you into my bed? Is it comfortable? Yes. I'd sleep. Me. How much do you love me? Well, look at all the stars and not so much as I love you. But it's morning. Exactly. So, that babe. Bae is so mainstream. Okay, babe. What do you prefer I call you? Beyonce. What are you doing? Laying in bed. Laying in bed, nothing else. I mean, cereal, how nice. What do you do if I was in bed with cereal? Low. If I wasn't in bed with, cereal wasn't in there, then I'd get out of bed and go get cereal. Mood. If you bought it from McDonald's, why? Because you love it? No, because it's fat and greasy. Rude. Why are these people so rude? I like you a lot more. I like you more than SpongeBob likes working at the Krusty Krab. I like you more than Krusty Krab likes Nut. I like you more than Sandy likes Tiger. I like you more than Skirtle likes Lick. I like you more than SpongeBob likes Food. I like you more than SpongeBob likes Scary. They're 5. Hey, people want to come over tonight? Sure, babes. What do you want to do? It involves pillows and blankets. Oh my god! We're gonna build a fort! Me. I couldn't take my eyes off you last night. Milo, you look amazing. For sure, don't look your age. Nikki. Autocorrect. How the hell did it come up with Milo? Milo, huh? Hell. Rolling. I swear, I'm not gay. Yeah. I gotta take a shot all the time. Ooh, take pictures. I hate you. Sends shit. That's the water. Can you send me a pic? What do you want? Something hot. Sends peppers. You're impossible. something hot of you. Of flaming you. You are so nice. Thank you. You have a nice face. I like the part of your face that had skin on it. Send nudes? Oh, babe, don't. Oh, send nudes, nude palette. Oh, babe, don't be like that. What does that even mean? Question mark, question mark. For me, babe? I'm not your babe. Angel head, I want to be. Send the thing. Hey, are you Copper and Trillium because you are a cutie? Hey girl, are you hydrogen oxygen because you are a hottie? Oh, what has 2 cups and holds huge monsters? My bra. What has 140 and holds back the Incredible Hulk? My zipper. Touchy. Wanna bang? Touche. Wanna bang? How God, I hate autocorrect. You mean hang? No, I mean bang. Yes. Happy Father's Day. I'm not a father. You are now. What? April Fools. I really fucking hate all holidays. Hey, are you single? No, I'm plural. I meant I'm free this Friday. No, I'm freaking spent it every day of the week. Ugh. Do you want to go out? Oh, sure. Why didn't you just say so? Hey, Kim, want to play a game? Hi, Danny. Sure. But I can't be hide and seek. Why not? Because a girl like you is impossible to find. Yes. My love, if you're smiling, send me your smiles. If you're sleeping, send me your dreams. If you're crying, send me your tears. I love you. I'm in the toilet. What do I do? Yes. Night. Love you. Love you too. In bed now. Send me dirty pic. Inspiration. Send the picture of adorable. Honey, can you write a poem for me? Sure. Rhythms are red. Violets are blue. A fake like yours belonging with you. But don't worry, I'll be there too. Now I'm in the cage but loving you. That's so cute. When I see you do romantic with. Glad you like it. And sure. Poof, you're single. Wow. Hey, you're really hot. Wanna go out? I have a boyfriend. And I have a math test tomorrow. What does that have to do with anything? I was just thinking, listing both things we could cheat on. Never cheat on your boyfriends or girlfriends, kids. Hey, it's Shady. Here's another pic. You got any more pics of yourself? I think you have the wrong number. But how would you entertain me if you both board games or something? Is that all? Blinky face. Maybe a card game like Uno. What about after that? Pizza. Then what? Mario Kart. Yes. What's up, babe? Hey, I hate to be the stereotype, but I made you a sandwich. I love you with bacon. Marry me. Me. Tell me something. Like what? Your bra size. Oh, like 40 GB gram. So like bigger. I guess the higher GBs, the better. But guess it depends on what you want it from. Wow, that sounds sexy. So I hear you like rabbits. Yeah, well, I'm not trying to embrace you or anything. But my bedtime is 7 o'clock, but I go to bed at 7 But I go to bed at 7:02. What now? Is that even legal? I don't know. I'm just saying, doing dangerously. Marry me. That's kind of fake. Or unless you're like 5. No, I won't be because I don't love her. Still be very loved. I want to be what I say. Say, will you be my princess? It's like, will you be my princess? Yes. Yes. Cool. It works. I was late turn. And guys, that is the end of the video. I love you all. Stay awesome. Stay cute. Stay amazing. And peace.